The Sonia Daily Skincare System includes Refreshing Gel Cleanser. Refreshing Gel Cleanser conditions skin while gently cleansing, providing a soft lather for combination skin, and removes dirt, makeup, and oil effortlessly without stripping skin. With key ingredients aloe, baobab oil, acacia consina fruit extract, apple amino acids, and hydroxyacetophenone. Illuminating gel evens skin tone and texture, brightens skin's overall appearance, and reduces the appearance of large pores while giving your skin a natural glow. With key ingredients aloe, encapsulated peptides, a unique algae blend paired with liposomes, red clover flower, and a unique blend of Asian botanicals. Refining Gel Mask nourishes skin while you sleep to promote healthy skin tone, support the fluctuations of combination skin for skin that appears more youthful. With key ingredients aloe, apple fruit extract, a blend of carrot seed, basil, Artemisia palens flower, and soybean oils, Korean bamboo extract, and licorice root. Soothing Gel Moisturizer is a Hydra-infused moisture carrier that improves the appearance of skin and soothes and evens skin tone. With key ingredients aloe, apple fruit extract, pomegranate fruit extract, fig fruit extract, jojoba esters, olive oil, beta-glucan and hydrolyzed collagen, a scientifically advanced collagen that goes into skin where it's needed most. Combination skin has met its match with the Sonia Daily Skincare System.
Hi Forever family, it's Holly Stout, Director of Product Development. I'm so excited to be here with you today to give you a sneak peek into the future of product here at Forever. As you know, it's an exciting time to be a part of Forever. We're continually looking at new technologies, new ingredients, and advancements in our favorite formulas designed to help you build a strong and lasting business. It is our hope today with this transparency that you will have enough time to act and build momentum and excitement in your business and prepare for the new products coming your way in 2018, our 40th anniversary. At Forever Living Products, we use the safest ingredients with the stringent quality levels that are governed by science. And we manufacture our own products so that we can control with vigilance this level of quality that you can be proud of. We are also a global and law-abiding company. And while we have strong scientific evidence to support our products, local regulations sometimes require us to make changes. Now let me be very clear, these changes are not exclusive to Forever. These changes are required of any company that produces products that are governed under these regulations. And let's just say these regulatory bodies have been quite active over the last 18 months. Recently, in some of our markets, regulations have required the reduction of a percentage of a preserving ingredient called methylthiazolidinone, otherwise known as MIT. But Forever did not stop there. We went one step above and beyond what was required of us, not because the ingredient is not safe, but because it's our goal to bring more products to the Forever world. It is our commitment to quality and safety, and during this transition, we're taking the time to look at our formulas, update them with more natural ingredients, high-performing botanicals that work very nicely with aloe, so that you have products you can be proud of and to build a business with. The executive team took this opportunity to review our broad portfolio of personal care products. With a sincere desire to innovate and launch brand new categories, it's time to say goodbye to some products in preparation and to make way for new exciting products. The future of product has never been more bright here at Forever, and we ask for your patience as we go through this transition. Some of the products that we're going to say goodbye to have been discontinued, and you're going to soon see stock deplete in your markets. The following products include the Body Toning Kit and all of its components. Now we know that you all love Bath Gelate, and it will be coming back with a new updated formula with more natural ingredients that support aloe. The Aroma Spa Kit and all of its components, as well as the sunscreen spray and the Sonia Volume Shampoo and Conditioner will all be discontinued. Now, let me share with you some amazing, exciting new products that are coming your way in 2018. As you know, at the Global Rally in Dubai, we launched Infinite by Forever. a state-of-the-art advanced anti-aging skincare system. And we also communicated that Sonia's skincare kit would be replaced by Infinite by Forever. We also announced an amazing range of targeted skincare products that are designed to also replace some of the Sonia skincare components. Never fear, nourishing serum is staying, but Sonia skincare will be effectively replaced by Infinite by Forever. In this targeted category, we took the opportunity to explain to you how your customer can now personalize an individual skincare system designed to address their personal needs. And the targeted category will be launching early 2018. Infinite by Forever is for dry, maturing, and aging skin. And the targeted category is designed to help a person pick products that suit their individual needs. To help address today's customer and to help your business be more intuitive to the average skincare user, we're excited to announce that Fleur de Jouvence will be replaced by a revolutionary new skincare system for combination skin. This system is based on a gel technology and is designed to help you capture and bring a broader demographic to your forever business. Now don't fear, Aloe Activator and Mask Powder will be transitioning into the targeted line, and you'll see that transition begin early 2018. The Sonia Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner will be replaced by a state-of-the-art salon-quality hair care system designed with hydration and color protection in mind. So excited to bring these products to you. It's going to attract a brand new customer who's going to love using our forever products with our high concentration of aloe. Okay, I want to share a very special secret with you. You have been asking for it. We listened and we responded. Coming your way early 2018, you will get the launch of a brand new volumizing mascara and a liquid eyeliner, both with more natural ingredients designed to support and elevate aloe. In addition, we've taken the opportunity to update and enhance the Sonia Eye Makeup Remover for the perfect pairing of a cosmetic line. So to recap, Aloe Body Toning Kit and all of its components, Aroma Spa Collection and all of its components, Aloe Sunscreen Spray, and the Sonia Volume Shampoo and Conditioner will all be discontinued. Bath Gelée will return in 2018 with a fresh new look and more natural ingredients designed to elevate aloe. These have been great products in the Forever catalog, but we're really excited about the innovations they are clearing the pathway for. New ingredients and advancement in technology have allowed us to evolve and update some of our formulas. These are the exciting changes you will see coming your way in 2018. Sonia's skincare kit will be replaced by Infinite by Forever. In addition, we are launching 4 new targeted skincare products: Awakening Eye Cream, Smoothing Exfoliator, Balancing Toner, and a brand new product to the Forever family, Protecting Day Lotion with SPF 20. This new natural sunscreen formula has many of the same ingredients you will see in Infinite by Forever. Fleur de Jouvence will be replaced by a state-of-the-art combination skincare system based on a gel technology. Sonia Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner will be replaced by a salon-quality hydration and color protection line. And we will be launching a volumizing mascara and liquid eyeliner with even more surprises designed with your business in mind. With these new product innovations, brand new formulas, stronger branding, updated packaging, we're convinced that our 40th year in business is going to be by far our best. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you real soon.